Hey everyone, if your drop-down list text in Excel is too small to read, there's no direct way to change the drop-down font itself, but there are a few solid workarounds. I'll walk you through them in order so you can pick what works best for you. The first thing to try is adjusting your worksheet zoom manually. Click on the cell that contains your drop-down list. Now you've got 3 ways to zoom in. You can use the slider in the bottom right-hand corner of your worksheet and drag it up. You can hold Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel up, or you can click the Zoom button on the View tab at the top. Increase the zoom to 125% or higher. Now click the drop-down arrow to view the list. The font size increases in proportion to the zoom level, so everything should be large enough to read easily. One quick tip here. If the zoomed-in view makes your other data too large, you can decrease the worksheet font size for those cells and adjust column widths to keep everything visible while the drop-down stays readable. If you want the zoom to happen automatically whenever you click a drop-down cell, the next method uses a bit of VBA code. Go to the worksheet that has your drop-down list. Right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom and select View Code from the menu that appears. That opens the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Paste in the VBA code. You'll see it on screen now, and I've also linked it in the description below. Close the VBA editor and save the workbook. If Excel prompts you, save it as a macro-enabled file with the .xlsm extension. When you click on a drop-down list cell, the zoom will enlarge automatically to 130%. When you click away from those cells, the zoom drops back to 100%. If you want different zoom levels, you can edit the values in the code to whatever you prefer. Still not quite right? The next fix is to simply widen the column. Sometimes the text isn't actually too small, it's just cut off because the column is too narrow. To adjust the width, just drag the border of the column header to make it wider. Or for autofit, check your source list to see which entry is the longest, choose that entry in the dropdown, then double-click the border of the column header to autofit. The dropdown width will match the column width and display the full text. This won't increase the font size, but it does make everything visible. Just keep in mind that widening the column might mess with the formatting of cells further down the worksheet. So that's the situation. You can't technically change the drop-down font itself, but these zoom-based methods are your best workarounds. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.